What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with all of you my #1 tip for reducing pest pressure in your garden. Managing insect pressure is one of the most challenging parts of being a gardener, and whether you are an organic gardener or a conventional gardener, it's safe to say that all of us want to spend as little money, time, and effort on spraying our plants as possible. Well, there is one trick that you can do every single year to reduce your insect pressure next year, and this holds true whether you are growing vegetables or fruit trees. And this is one of those tips that is so easy and simple that it's astounding that most people don't do it. And that is simply clean up all of your fallen fruits from the previous season. As you can see here, my ground is littered with tomatoes. And all of these tomatoes on the ground are damaged and broken open in some way. What happens is, bugs crawl inside the fallen fruits and they lay their eggs. And then those fallen fruits overwinter the pest eggs. And then those pest eggs hatch in the spring, and that completes the life cycle of the pests. So you can disrupt the life cycle of the pests simply by picking up all of your fallen fruits. And when you pick up your fallen fruits, do not relocate them to a cold compost pile, because then the bugs will simply hatch in your compost pile. You have to completely remove them from your property or destroy them. So all of these fallen peppers, all of my fallen tomatoes, all of my fallen figs, if you have any orchards where you have apples growing, pears growing, peaches growing, dispose of all of those fallen fruits permanently. Either throw them in the trash, bag them up and get rid of them, or throw them in some kind of burn pile and destroy them permanently. By picking up all of the fallen, rotting fruits and vegetables and completely destroying them or removing them from your property, you will be removing literally millions of insect eggs from your garden, and you will be disrupting the life cycle of the pests so they will not hatch in your yard the next year. If you do this every single year and you stay on top of it and you do a great job removing all of the fallen fruits, this will make incredible gains to lowering the pest pressure every single subsequent season. This is truly one of the greatest things you can do to reduce the pest pressure in your garden. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.